Hi there, it's Josh here, the Class Competition Company, and today we're up in the Cotswolds and we've got a nice Velocette Venom 1959 that we are raffling off. What I'm going to do is try and start it. What you first need to do is, I like to put the fuel taps on first. There is one on the other side that we'll put on. We've got a choke here. It's a more modern Mikuni, I think it's a Mikuni carb. We've also on this one got an ignition switch which is hidden behind here. As you can see, there's a switch there. I think forward is on, but we'll soon find out if it doesn't do anything. So I'll go around to the other side and put the other fuel tap on, which is a reserve, but I don't know how much fuel is in there. You've got our decompression lever here, which helps us get the kickstart in the right position to kick it. So the key of a Velocette is to get it on compression and then give it a full push down. I'm going to press the decompressor lever here, get to this position, and go all the way back up and then give it a good kick and see if it starts. As you can see, because of the electronic ignition, it ticks over straight away, which is nice. You have to warm them up a bit, but I think the Mikuni carb and the electronic ignition really helps with the starting. Most bikes you have to warm up quite a bit for them to tick over. It's been set up really well. You've got the indicators here. Probably doesn't look as nice with indicators, but it is safer. Saves you taking your hands off. Well, good luck to everyone who enters. If the competition has now been drawn, and we have got lots of nice British bikes like this.